Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be unboxing a 5 kg cologne haul. As you guys can see, it just arrived, and if you guys want any items which are showcased in this video, use the spreadsheet which is linked down below, and make sure to use that sign up link if you guys want 50% cheaper shipping. And now let's start. So I've already unboxed these, but they're still sealed because I recorded a TikTok. But now let me show you the fragrances that we got. So onto the first one, we got this Xerjoff. Just take a look how well this is packed. And onto the second one, we got this Louis Vuitton Imaginations. Take a look at it. Onto the next one, what do we have here? A Baccarrat Rouge. For all the resellers out there, don't get scammed by those fake vendor links. This is completely linked in the description without any payment. So yeah, just take a look at it. And now let's open them and actually smell test them and compare them to real one. So let's just start with a Xerjoff. As you guys see, it's even sealed on the side. You have to cut it open. I have had the Xerjoff in the past, but let's take a look. Damn, these Chinese are getting smart. Just take a look at the quality of it. Oh, yeah. Let's see what this is all about. By the way, here you can even have the tag on the bottom. Now let's spray them. It is similar to the real deal, but honestly, let me just try it again. Let's try it. It is really close to the real deal, but you can kind of tell it doesn't really smell like the Herba Pura that you guys are used to. But now let's try the other ones and let's see if the other ones are any different. By the way, for you guys who I know why are they watching this video, just take a look at the packaging, the same thing. I mean, a normal person couldn't really tell the difference, but I'm very into this perfume new stuff. Okay. So it's so easy to tell the difference if you really know the notes perfectly. By the way, all these perfumes have the same ingredients as the deal that you know. What the fuck? Let's take a look at this. Wait, let me show you. And on to the next one, we have the City of Stars. I don't even know why the cap has a weird plastic around it. But let's spray it. Oh, this actually does smell good. What the fuck? Let's try it. Yeah, this smells one-to-one like the original. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what's about the cap, but the other one I've ordered didn't have the cap on, so they must have sent me like a failed product. But yeah, honestly, it smells the same as the deal, if you know what I mean. And now let's keep going with the next one. Let me show you. Nice. Just take a look at this packaging. Let me just show you guys. It's packed like this. On here you have like all the QR codes and all the important stuff. This is where the Baccarat Rouge arrives. And let's try this, because I'm also a Maison Francis fan. So I have these already tried. Let's see. Let's smell test it.
What the hell?
Man, this shit is toxic as fuck. This actually smells kind of similar, but not really anything close to the Maison Francis that you used to, because it doesn't have that strong Maison Francis smell. Honestly, guys, if you know what you're buying these for, it's 100% recommended. Now let's try the famous Dior Sauvage that everyone's loving. Let's see. Does it have a magnetic cap? Just take a look. This is what it looks like. On the back you have the CD Christian Dior. Now let's try it. Yeah, this one smells exactly the same as the real deal. Just take a look. Even on the cap you have the CD logo. Honestly, this is recommended if you guys want to do the thing with it. So yeah, this is 100% recommended. You guys can find it in the spreadsheet. And yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and now let's move on. And peace out.